do in the 6th spot.
He golfs one high in the air. Deep center. Back is Hamilton. He's out of room. It's out of here. He tried to leap up and steal it, but he could not get to it. And Jason Kipnis extends that hitting streak with his 4th home run of the year. And for Kip, that's 8 straight now with a home run.